Hello, fifth graders. This is an introduction to the Pastel project, which is a printmaking. You're going to need a couple of pieces of paper, same size, they'll be handed out, and oil pastel. This will work a lot better than crayon, so use oil pastel for this. I'm going to use a ballpoint pen, but you can also use a pencil. And the other thing that you're really going to need is a piece of scratch paper, because we are going to use the oil pastel all the way to the edges and it will protect your tabletops. First step is to get as much oil pastel on one of those pieces of paper as you can. Put it on as thickly as you can, lots of different colors. You can make a pattern if you want to, but this isn't the drawing part, this is just getting a lot of oil pastel on that piece of paper. Try to fill in as much of those white spaces as you can. Next step, get the other piece of paper, put it on top of the oil pastel, line it up as best you can. You're going to need a small piece of tape or masking tape. Tape that there at the top and then flip it over so you can join those two pieces of paper together. I don't think I'm going to need the scratch paper anymore. Next step, like I said, I'm going to use a ballpoint pen, but a pencil will work just fine. And now I'm going to draw on this side, pushing through onto the oil pastel. You can do whatever you want to here. This could be free drawing. I'm just going to do sort of some patterns and lines and shapes on this for my demonstration. So it'll look kind of like the Zentangle we did early in the year. And at this point, you just have to remember to press fairly hard on the paper with your pencil or your pen, because it is going to print onto the oil pastel on the back side of this piece of paper here. So that should be enough to sort of give you an idea of how this works in a demonstration. So you open it up, and there you have your pastel print on that side of it. I did do another one earlier, so this one's a little bit more complete, and that shows you how it looks, the whole thing. Next step is to take the tape off. It will look like that. You can get some glue on the back, glue it onto a dark piece of construction paper, so it'll have a frame to it. Get that done and you are finished.